Good morning. This is Jaden Unity Maltese of Group 4. For introduction of the philosophy of human person, we will have an interview to a working single mom on how an individual deals with their daily life trying to fulfill their life's philosophies. A life philosophy is a person's worldview and set of core principles that guides a person's true thoughts, feelings, and actions regarding fundamental questions about existence, purpose, and how to live. It's a framework for understanding the world and one's place in it, influence one's definition of good, bad, success, and the overall overview meaning of life. A family is a simple, most important influence in a child's life from their first moment of life. Children depends on their parents and families to protect them and provide for their needs. Parents and families form a child's first relationship. They are children's first teachers and act of role models in how to act and how to experience the world around them. By nurturing and teaching children during their early years, families play an important role in making sure children are ready to learn when they enter school. Children thrives when parents are able to actively promote their positive growth and development. Every parent knows that it's sometimes difficult to do this important work without help, support, and educational resources. Hi sir, good morning. Today I'll be interviewing Miss Lucky Joyce Matias. The first question is, what is your background? Like school, family, or your experiences?
Good morning to Jaden. I am Maria Joyce Machas, a 32 years old single mother with one child. I grew up in a simple family where education is highly valued. Through my family support and my own determination, I was able to finish college with a diploma in midwifery. Graduating in college is one of my proudest achievements. And currently, I am working as a sanitary inspector here in Vintar.
The second question is, what motivates you to overcome challenges?
My greatest motivation is my child. Every hardship I face, I remind myself that I am not living only for myself but also for the better future of my family. Whenever I feel tired and discouraged, I think my child and how was my sacrifices today help him to achieve a better life for his future. And I deal with my obstacles by staying focused, working hard, and relying on my faith because challenges are temporary, but the lessons and strength that I gain for them from it will last for a lifetime.
Number 4 is, what keeps you moving forward in life? Number 3 is, what is your main goal in life? Did you achieve it?
My primary goal is to give my child a better future by ensuring him to finish his education. I want him to achieve that. I want him to achieve the dream that I was not able to pursue, and for me, that would be my greatest success as a mother.
Number 4, what kept you moving forward in life?
The love of my son keeps me moving forward, even if life is difficult. His smiles give me the strength to endure and work harder each day.
And number 5, what is your biggest disappointment and how did you handle it?
Maybe my greatest disappointment is being left alone. I dealt with it by focusing on my career, raising my child, and not letting bitterness take over me.
Number 6, what daily struggles do you face and how do you deal with feeling helpless?
Every day I struggle with balancing work, dealing with parenting, managing finances, and exhaustions. Sometimes I cry when it gets too heavy, but I need to keep going because my child is depending on me and I need to be strong for him.
Number 7. Why do you stay in your job despite difficulties?
I stay in my job because it gives me stable income that supports my family's needs.
Moving on to question number 8. Do you have any regrets in life and what did you learn from them?
My biggest regret is not being able to build a complete and lasting family for my son, but I turned that regret into focusing of giving him love, guidance, and a better future.
Number 9. Do you think society is fair? And why or why not?
For me, no. Society here in our country is not always fair because opportunities are limited for us who are poor, but I do still believe that hardworking and determination can help us overcome some of these inequalities.
Number 10. Can money bring happiness and why?
Money is important, but it is not define happiness. So for me, it's no. Real happiness is coming from seeing my son and my family healthy, loving, and reaching their dreams.
I am very thankful for sharing your story. That was very heartwarming of you, ma'am. Your motivation is for your son, and that's really good. His future is your motivation and your happiness. When he's happy, you're happy too. Thank you for giving me time, ma'am. To all working and single parent, single mom and single dad, you may walk this path alone, but the love you give makes it feel complete. Being a single mom means having the strength of a lion and the heart of an angel. Being a single parent is not a life full of struggles, but a journey for the strong. We thank you and salute the parents and single parents for the dedication, sacrifice, and tirelessly efforts of parents makes to provide for their children basic needs, education, and well-being. Thank you. God bless us all.